Hello, I'm Adam from MarketLife.com and welcome to the free video for September 9th, 2020. So here we are after a one-day market holiday, and looking at the big picture in the indexes, we do need to be aware that we are seeing some selling like we have not seen since, let's say, April of 2020. We've been in a more or less unbroken, unchallenged even uptrend, and this could be the beginning of something different. So stock swing traders need to be aware that everybody's been conditioned to just buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip. Don't think just buy the dip, it always works out. It doesn't always work out. You need to be aware of that. This could be the beginning of something different, so we need to keep an eye on that. But what do you do with that? Well, you don't stick your head in the sand. You don't go inside and not trade, but you also don't trade super aggressively on the long side. So what you really need in this environment are the best setups and the discipline to execute those setups correctly. And I would also say that this discipline of taking partial profits at a relatively small first profit target, we really like 1-to-1 for that initial profit target. That's going to do a lot to both manage your risk and even out your equity curve. And those are two very desirable goals. So here is a setup in Ethan Allen, ETH. This is a breakout setup. We have a rectangular pattern here holding just under $15. I'll clear my lines from the chart. You can see that the breakout trigger would be entering over any of these wicks, and you would like to see pretty immediate confirmation, a close somewhere roughly 1533 or so, toward 15.5 would be good. Initial stop can be located somewhere just above 14, maybe as low as 1380, depending your risk tolerance. You certainly don't want to be much tighter than that. That is too tight. So maybe just a couple pennies above 14, and that'll place your initial target somewhere right around 16, which is good for that partial profit. Now, the key with this also is we want to be triggered into this trade with upside momentum. So if ETH just sells off, if the market sells off, then we will have no entry. We only want to be triggered with upside momentum. If these videos are helpful, give us a like on the video, subscribe to the channel. Go over to MarketLife.com. We'd love to have you check out my work. We run a $7 trial for the first month. You can sign up. Also, use the code OPTIONS20. We're still running that special. We'll give you a 20% lifetime discount. You can see my more in-depth analysis I do every day for members. See a lot of cool analytical tools, setups, just understand how we think about markets. And we've been able to help a lot of people out. We like to see what we could do for you. So go check us out, MarketLife.com, using the code OPTIONS20. Thank you very much.